Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
I wish our backyard had more flowers. Imagine how beautiful it would look with colorful flowers everywhere. I've always wanted a little flower garden.
Mom really loves flowers.
Maybe we can make that dream come true.
I think I know exactly what you're thinking.
A garden full of flowers would make me so happy.
We should build one for her. Let's surprise Mom. Best surprise ever.
I think we just found our mission.
I'll be back before you know it. Take care of each other while I'm gone.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
I love you all.
Love you too, Mom.
We'll miss you.
See you soon.
Bye, Mom.
Have a safe trip.
Operation Secret Garden begins now!
This is where we'll build Mom's dream.
Let's do it! Yes, Captain Dad.
Yes, Captain Dad. Mission accepted. We need flowers here. A fountain goes right here.
Something like this. It's beautiful. Mom will love pink flowers. This path leads to the fountain. Perfect!
Ooh.
Let's build it.
Time to buy supplies. Let's go.
This is so exciting. We need lots of flowers and fairy lights. Wow! This place is huge. Look at these.
Pick your favorites. We're gonna need a bigger cart. These flowers bloom fast.
Mom loves these colors. These will look amazing.
I think we're ready.
No! Mom will love these.
This is perfect. Woohoo! Professional gardener reporting for duty.
This is our biggest surprise ever.
We bought everything.
Let's start as soon as we get home. Let's get to work.
Careful.
Careful. Hunhad, don't drop them.
The garden starts today.
Everyone knows their job. Let's build Mom's dream.
This is where it all begins.
This is harder than I thought.
This is harder than I thought.
You're doing great.
Grow big and beautiful.
Every flower starts small.
Mom is going to love this.
Best surprise ever.
Ever.
I can't wait to see her face.
It's already beautiful.
And we're just getting started. Good gardens need strong borders.
Everything has to be perfect.
Nice and steady.
Got it. This one says Mom's Garden.
She'll love it. What do you think?
They're amazing.
They're amazing. We're making real progress.
It's starting to look magical.
The fountain goes right here.
Center of the garden.
Perfect circle.
Almost done. This looks so pretty. Tomorrow we'll finish even more. Mom is going to cry happy tears. This is the best part.
Let's build it. Pass me that wrench.
Here. It's beautiful. Wow!
Wait until the water starts.
It's working! Ah!
Awesome. Now for the magic.
Careful.
I've got you.
The garden feels magical. Wow!
Now that's beautiful.
Mom will never expect this.
Smile.
Uh-oh.
That's not good.
The wind is getting stronger.
Oh! Secure everything!
I got it!
Our decoration. Protect the garden! Hold on!
Don't get ruined!
No! Ah!
It's broken. What do we do now? It's ruined.
Maybe we can fix it.
We're not giving up.
We rebuild. We still have time. Tomorrow, we fix everything. We can still save this.
Do you think it'll work?
It has to.
Hang in there, little flowers. Don't worry, I'll fix you.
We're getting there. A new day. It's working!
We did it! Now you're beautiful again.
Even better than before.
Welcome back. It's beautiful again.
Perfect.
A little extra magic. Everything has to be perfect. We did it! Mom is going to love it. She's coming.
Already? Final touches everyone.
Everything works. I'm so nervous.
Stay hidden.
Home, sweet home. What's going on? Oh my goodness. It's beautiful.
surprise.
You did all this for me? Every bit of it. I can't believe this. We made it together.
It's exactly what I dreamed of.
Worth every second.
Best surprise ever.
This is the most wonderful gift I've ever received. Because we love you.
We wanted to make your dream come true. And now it did. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.